Get ready with me for work with what I have in my closet. So this is my base layer. It's cold outside. It's still cold. I can't wait for this cold season to just finish. It's only this few days of excess snow. I can't wait for it to finish because I am so tired of the cold. It's really cold outside. Like right now, all I do is go to work, come back home, make some food, sit on the TV, Netflix and chill, Disney Plus, HBO. We are now friends because you will not see me outside. So yeah, this is the basic layer. Tomorrow's Friday. One more day. Then I'm indoors for the whole of the weekend till Monday again. But yeah, we gotta do what we gotta do. So this is the basic layer. Today I'm going to wear this. I think I got this from I don't know where I get this. I think from H&M. Yeah, from H&M. I'm gonna wear this one today. So as you guys can see, it's like a dress. It does have a pocket and you have a hoodie. This is perfect right now for me going outside in the snow. So I kind of like this one. It's very challenging. For me, when I'm wearing all the clothes I have in my closet, I have to really take everything out. The top, the bodysuit that I wear yesterday, the pants is really good, but the bodysuit that I wear yesterday, that one is no longer going into my closet because it's very very tight. It was really uncomfortable yesterday at work, when I had it on because it was really really tight. So I'm going to wash it and then put it in a separate bag. I'm not going to put it in my closet anymore. For me, this experience is also good for me to like wear the things I have and then find out what I still like and what I don't like. Like this one is so old, it's like more than a year now since I got it. But I don't wear it that often. So that's the thing. That's why all of them look so good. And someone said I don't have a style. Someone said on my video. I think is it on YouTube or TikTok? I don't know. But someone commented on one of my videos says, how you dress like this for work? You don't even have a style. First of all, I'm going to work. I don't work in an office where I'm going to sit behind computers typing all the time. No, I don't have that kind of job. So I can dress the way I want to dress. The only thing I have to make sure is that I can able to roll my clothes all the way up to my arm so that this part of my arms is free to work. That's the only thing. And my work, we don't really have a certain dress code except you have to have a short sleeve. Just look presentable and come to work. That's it. So I don't know how you people dress. I see everyone dress different, depending on the kind of job you have. Okay, for me, this is even more effort on my day-to-day dressing. This is what I wear day to day. It's only when I'm going, except when I'm going to church or when I'm going for like I want to go out I want to go out with friends for lunch, brunch, or maybe date night with myself. Then I'll dress different. But this is like day-to-day outfit, and I see nothing wrong with this. I like it. You don't like it. I can understand. We all have different style. So yeah, I'm going to wear my favorite boots. This boots is very, very, very helpful right now. Especially go walking outside. At least I have a very nice grip, so I don't fall outside. That's one thing I love about this boot, and it's really, really comfortable. But the only thing is that let's get it on. That's where the stress comes. Trying to get it on. Oh. Actually, this legging is double. Okay, don't think I only have one legging on. I have two leggings. It's double. This is double. So I'm pretty warm here. I dare not to wear only one legging and go outside right now. I did mad. I, I dare not to. So it's double double because the cold is really not just plain. Like this last few days, literally all I do is go to work, come back home, eat something, and sit down and watch TV. That's why I was kind of laughing when my friend called me and said, "Oh, Ami, let's go outside and drink some hot chocolates and ski a bite and skirt a bite, like go and ice skate. I look at her and I'm like, how for y'all? I love you, but I don't love you that much. Ik hou niet zoveel for y'all. Do you guys see outside? Normally, on a normal day when the snow is not like excess like this, because now we have like too much snow. When it's just like the normal snow, then I would love to go outside and like bring some hot chocolates, ice skating about outside. It's really really nice. But with this weather, I'm home. You're not gonna catch me anywhere. I'm not going anywhere to do anything with anybody. So nobody should call me or wanting to do anything right now outside. I am not available. Even if I'm available, I'm not coming. I'm not coming. I'm really not gonna come because yeah, the only the only thing that is taking me out right now is work, and that one is because I don't even have a choice. I don't have a choice, and I cannot give an excuse because my work is like 10 minutes walk from my home, so I don't really have a valid excuse to give not to come. Okay, let's just say I was living somewhere where I was supposed to drive. I would have said I cannot drive. The snow, but I don't have an excuse to give. So that's you guys don't understand. And then you people want to go out and you people want to go out and drink hot chocolate. I'll drink hot chocolate in my house. I'm not going anywhere. So nobody should call me right now for anything. I love you guys. I love my friends. I appreciate all your love and kindness. But at this point of my life, I just got beg you now. Not disturb my life. At this point, I use God to beg you people to not disturb my life because this weather is just not the cutest weather. So yeah, this is the outfit. This is it. Look cute, feeling good. Oh, I love it. It's so comfortable and it's warm. And the hoodie stays warm like this. So yeah, your girl is ready for work. Thank you guys so much. We still have tomorrow. Oh, I can't wait for tomorrow to come and go. So I can just lay down in bed and sleep and just wrap myself. Yeah. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for your listening and understanding. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. And I'll see you all on the next video.